swimming is a great overall exercise, but it's not particularly good for your bones. And that's because the water's holding you up. And so that's great for people who have things like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, other issues where walking, being on the ground is painful for them. So it's a great aerobic exercise for people, good for your joints. But to be good for your bones, you need to get out on dry land. You need to let gravity work against your body and do what we call weight bearing exercise. Now, weight bearing does not necessarily mean weight lifting. It means you're letting your own body weight rest on your skeleton. So things like walking, gardening, dancing, treadmill, any of those machines in the gym where you're standing upright and you're on your feet on a platform. So that step machine is really good. So what I recommend to people who like to swim is keep on swimming, but do as much as you can, again, on dry land to give those bones that healthy stress that stimulates them to stay strong.